We are the last full week of March, and I will tell you as we begin the week, what's happening with the economic news that we typically see this week, there's really nothing. So, three things this week are going to impact rates more than anything I'm going to talk to you about in the economic calendar. One, we got to fund DHS. Two, we got to have oil prices start to come down. And three, we need to see some finality, some closure in the Iran war, and we need to see traffic going through the Strait of Hormuz. Not sure how that's going to happen, but that's what's going to really make a mark this week. Let's take a look at the actual items that we're going to see economically. We got an ADP. Nothing happening on Monday, pretty quiet. On Tuesday, we have an ADP weekly preliminary estimate. We have Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index and 2-year Treasury auction results. Wednesday, we have 5-year Treasury auction. And then Thursday, we have the typical initial and continuing jobless claims. We also have a 7-year Treasury note. And then Friday, we have the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Really not that much going on. So where are rates? As we begin the week, interest rates, conventional, we are back above 6.5%. DA, we are just above 6%. They went up a lot Thursday and Friday of last week. And you know what goes up must come down. I do believe we're going to see interest rates start to come down this week. But again, really how much is going to be dependent on those three things we talked about. There's nothing else will have as big an impact on rates as DHS, oil, Strait of Hormuz. That's what I got for you. You guys have a great week. Stay safe out there. To all my friends and family in Hawaii, just trying to deal with the storms, I'm praying for you. There's so much assistance available, and hopefully the government will come in and actually provide some of that funding. Oh yeah, who do we need for that? Who do we need help with on that? FEMA. Well, guess who's not funded right now? FEMA. That's not political. Man, that is criminal. And we need to get DHS funded. That's all I got.